What's going on, everyone? It's Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is we are going to be getting into reviewing the Supreme SB Dunk Low Ink. Your boy just got a pair of these in. Super excited to review these with you guys today. We're going to be discussing the pricing since big sizes are going up for these right now, and I have some actually available, 12 and 13. Hit me on my IG if you're interested. Down below in the pinned comment, we got tons of other stuff there as well. And today we're just going to be reviewing this pair right here. So I hope you guys will enjoy. Again, a super slick pair in hand, and let me know what you guys are thinking about these, man. Again, a nice one. You really cannot go wrong with this pair. So let me know what you guys are thinking down below in the comments. And if you copped a pair recently, I mean, again, these didn't drop in the US. I really wish this one did, but it was a UK exclusive. So shout out my EU gang. Let me know if you got a pair. Hey, congrats on you guys getting the chance to get these. I love this pair. And yeah, we'll get into it from there. So I hope you guys will enjoy. If y'all want more content like this, go ahead, feel free to subscribe and like down below. The normal goal we always shoot for is 300 likes. If we can do that, that'd be great. My Instagrams are down below. Again, we got some of these for sale, along with us doing a story sale tonight there. We got a website coming this week as well, so stay tuned. Lots of things on the way and on whatnot. We're going to be back on there in a couple days. Yeah, getting that fixed. We'll be back. And let me know if you got lucky and copped a pair of these recently. But we'll just get into reviewing them right now, and hope y'all will enjoy. So again, as you guys can see, everything we got right here. So the box label, of course, y'all can see we got a size 12 right here. Also have a 13. So again, just let me know on my IG. But the box is normal, so y'all can see the sale one. Nothing too out of the ordinary or crazy there, right? Got a lot of shoes back here, so hey, stay tuned. When we're back, hey, those live's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be straight heat for sneakers, I'll tell you that. But as you guys can see what we got right here, so you guys can see again that Supreme tag right there. It says Nike SB and then Supreme, and then you guys can see that all orange look right there, the 94 on the heel that is embroidered on that all purple look, and then the black swoosh as well. As you guys can see, very clean look with this sneaker. You go to the soles, again, that same green that we have on the middle section of the sneaker under the swoosh and on the toe box, that is the same green that we have on the soles right here as well. Such a clean pair in hand. You guys can see also what we got here by the heel, that purple and green look. People are calling this the Hulk pair, man. I like that comparison. I like the name for it. I think it works because you guys can see that purple and green. Look how clean that is. Just take a look. I mean, come on. Like, this is one of the nicest SBs they've made in a little bit. I'm gonna agree with some of the comments on that. This colorway just hits super well. I mean, just look at that, man. Hey, the white embroidery around the 94. Very clean and slick pair. Also have the same thing going on here by the heels. You guys can see that white Nike embroidery, right? Their logo stitched on, and again that purple suede. This is why I want a personal of these so bad. Thing is, my size. I asked my guy, hey, how much is a 9? $500. I mean, again, in a couple years, that probably will have been a deal. You know what I'm saying? But hey, I'm not dropping 500 on some SBs right now, y'all. Stuff is too expensive. But hey, let's just get back to the shoe video. So as you guys can see, taking a look for the personal collection, I'll buy 500 for a pair for a review. Shoot, we just did the Travis Fragment review. You know what I mean? That cost a bag to go out the way and get those and make sure they were official too. That cost a lot more to make sure that they were official. I know we've seen a lot about these. We've seen a lot about these online recently. A lot of discussion about these online. But hey, your boy's always got the official. Trust me. Just let me know. And as you guys can see with this pair right here, you guys can see embroidered on the tongue tag, or not embroidered on, but again, that same detail right there. You guys can see it says Nike SB, that silver look. You guys can see it says Dunk Low Pro underneath. And then right here as well, you guys can see it says Dunk Low Pro. And then also right here, take a look. You guys can see the insoles right here. That red and white look, super clean, as you guys can see. So really can't go wrong with this pair right here. And again, you guys can see the look all around the shoe right here as well. So not bad. I feel like this fits very nicely. I just dropped them. Your boy's not a size 12, but hey, I wish I could toe these, let me tell you that. So such a clean pair in hand, and that's really what I can review. Again, you guys see the tag there as well. I'm gonna get into the prices right now because again, I want to discuss that with you guys because this is one of the best pairs to hold right now. I made a video on this yesterday. This is a pair I would be holding. I might keep the 13 on ice, like just keeping it real. Like I'd at least need to keep a pair or two of these on ice because in the future, a year or two from now, these will be very expensive. It's exclusive to the EU. You already know they probably didn't get a lot of pairs of these, and this is just such a slick pair in hand. So I would recommend holding a pair of these if you have the option to. I would do that for the next couple years if you get a good price. So that's my goal, to get a pair of these for a decent price and hold on to them. I guess I could do that with the 13 we got, but we'll see if someone comes through and wants them. Hey, hit me on my IG if you need them. They're pricey though, so just want to let y'all know that. But let me know what you guys think about this pair right here. And yeah, let's get into the price discussion. So as you guys can see, we do have the screen recording up right here, and taking a look at this pair, you guys can see the current price range is between a range of about $380 to, or whoa, let me correct that. We'll say $280 because you can see some of the really small sizes are a bit cheaper. So $280 to $600. We'll put a plus in the 600 too, because look at size 12, man. size 12 is on a tear. Let me tell you that. There's not many size 12s left listed. We got one right here. If there's any pair I'd want to hold, it's probably the size 12. But I got someone that already wants the 12, so we'll see if they come through and take it today. Hey, if not, again, just feel free to hit me on my IG. I'll post it tonight if someone did not take the 12. But just such a clean pair in hand, and you guys can see the big sizes are taking off. I mean, if sizes 11 plus in this shoe, the prices are going to be very, very expensive. Very, very quick. You guys can see they've already gotten to a $550, $600 price range. Even look at size 14. I mean, look where that's selling, even at $440, you know what I mean? So these are up there at 500 plus in the big sizes. So understanding that, I think that they can get even more expensive in the future, but we need to at least give it a few months to settle. I'm going to keep it real with you guys. I do feel like that if these were to go up in price, right, it's going to be 12, 11.5, 11, 10.5, you know, those are going to be the ones that'll make the first initial progress. 13, like those sizes would be the ones I'd be looking at as a hold right now. But we need to at least give these, I'd say, another 2 months, right, for these to kind of settle down, see where they end up landing in price. I do feel like over Christmas, though, again, the sizes that you already see are super limited right now. For example, size 12, there's only 7 left listed on StockX. This is the type of size that, again, around Christmas season will probably end up being very, very expensive because there's just not going to be any listed on apps. And if you're going to want this pair as a gift, you're going to have to pay a hefty price because there's going to be probably, like, again, very, very few of them listed in this sizes. You guys can see they're already limited right now, so I can't imagine that there's many left. They're just going to keep it real. There's just probably not many 12s of this shoe out there. So as a hold, I feel like, again, certain sizes, 10.5 through 13, will end up being a very, very good hold for the sneaker. Probably will end up being much more expensive a year or two down the line. I don't feel like these are going to be at that $400 to $600 range. It was an EU exclusive. It's one of the cleanest pairs. It's a Supreme collab. You look at what some other Supreme SB Dunk lows go for. It's like a very, very expensive price range. Not like the Resell ones, you know, because those are pretty recent, but old style ones, kind of similar to this, go for like thousands of dollars. I could see these getting to that point. It's a very unique set. People are going to want to complete the set in their size. So that's just one of the main things I can say about the Supreme SB Dunks. I feel like this pair right here is a very, very good hold just because of how limited it was. It was the most limited pair, other than I believe the Asia exclusive one, that camper green, that kind of yellow and black one, or green and black. They call it camper green, but it's yellow, so we'll just say yellow and black pair, right? That one was also very exclusive, the Asia exclusive one. So understanding that, I feel like this one, again, it could probably come down another 10, 20 bucks just because it's still settling a little bit, but there's no pairs really out there for it to, you know what I mean, drop more in price. So in my opinion, these are probably done dropping in price, maybe another 10, 20 bucks, but I feel like, again, the sizes that are going to be making progress, 10.5 through 13, it's about to happen pretty big in my opinion. It's going to take a bit. It'll kind of be more of a slow, consistent rise over time, but I could easily see those sizes being $800 to $1,000 one day. And that's my prediction, again, for this SB Dunk Low right here, the Supreme SB Dunk Low Ink. Such a clean pair in hand, man. And I'm just happy that we got a pair right here to review for you guys. So let me know if you got one for retail recently. And again, I feel like some sizes for these could end up being a really, really good hold. We've already seen some of the big sizes make like $100 worth of progress. And this pair is very, very limited. So it could move up, you know what I mean, like $50 per sale, because there's just not a lot of pairs listed. So basically what I'm meaning by that is one could sell at $550, and then the next one could be at like $600, and then the one after that at $625. Then it goes back down to $575, and then $650. I feel like that's kind of how the market will move up for this shoe. It's going to be kind of more individual because there's just not a lot of pairs of these out there. This is not a shoe that's controlled by bulk sellers at the moment. I mean, of course, every sneaker is controlled by, you know, whoever has the most amount of pairs, or, you know, the group of people that got the most amount of pairs, right? But this is one that, again, I feel like will just get a bit cheaper because, well, not get a bit cheaper. It's more controlled by, again, the individual because, well, I mean, again, it's an SB Dunk Glove. Getting bulk of SBs is not easy work. So less common, I'll say. So that's my thoughts on that. And if you guys do want more content like this, then go ahead. Feel free to subscribe and like down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about this SB Dunk Low in hand, man. Such a clean one. Just happy to have a pair here to review for you guys. And again, check my IGs down below. We got a little story sale there tonight. If anybody needs these, we got 12 and 13, so hit me up. I'll be answering DMs. And is there anything else I'm forgetting? Oh yeah, again, the lives down below. We're gonna be back there in a couple of days, so stay tuned, guys. Do not forget on that. Just getting the account fixed. Honestly, I wish support could read a bit better, but you know how it is sometimes. I'm just gonna stay patient with it. Hey, not some cool kick stuff though, so do not loop me in. do not do that. All right, but hey, you know how it is. We're keeping it chill. We're keeping it patient. And yeah, I wanted to do the free SB4 today, but we'll just do it when we get back. So that's the lucky thing about it, is we can always just move it back a bit. So I'm T, guys. Thank y'all for watching this video on the Supreme SB Dunk Low Ink. And let me know how y'all are feeling about this pair. Very, very clean in hand. So I'm T. Thank you, guys. And I'll see y'all tomorrow on the next one. Catch y'all then. Peace.